Hey everyone, so this is just a quick video on how constraints can help you grow your eBay store. So what I mean by constraints is, for instance, for your eBay listings, you're only allowed 2 photos. That's a constraint. You're only allowed to search for a price for 10 seconds. That's a constraint. You can limit yourself to 2 minutes per listing, and then you just got to post it live with whatever you have, or post a draft. For instance, if I had an employee, I'd be like, look, 2 minutes on an item, whatever you got, put that into a draft and we'll take it from there. For instance, would help me double my business, and this is particularly for Amazon, was we don't price things anymore, right? So that's a constraint where we are maybe losing a little bit of money on some items, maybe, and from my experience, I'm actually getting more money from some items and less on others. So it really evens out, and we use an automatic repricer, right? So leveraging tools. Another constraint would be inventory, right? You're only allowed to have 500 items listed or 100 items listed. As soon as you list that 101st item, you either have to delete one or put one on auction, right? So there's all these constraints that can help you to scale your eBay business, right? These are scalable solutions, and these constraints are what are going to help you to put a formula and a system in place and a process in place so that you have more time, more brain space, and it will help you to sell things faster.